First of all, I would like to tell you that in this era, this COVID-19 or post-COVID-19, everyone is asking when life will get back to normal after COVID-19 crisis. So instead of focusing on the crisis, we should learn from our mistakes and use this opportunity to upgrade ourselves. That is our life and lifestyle, building something better for our future generations. So nutrition is not the diet. It's not only the diet. This is re-engineering of mental, physical, and social well-being. So we still don't know how the COVID virus will play out. Researchers, doctors, pharma companies, health specialists are all in dilemma, researching hard for the cure, but nobody knows what would be the outcome after 2-3 months. So what we can do, not only diet, not only food, we have to prepare one action plan. And number one, we have to work upon physical health, adopt healthy food habits, boost up your immunity, be fitter than your current health status. We will discuss in detail this topic, health status, and social and mental health. Then social and mental health means we should sync with nature. This pandemic is one of the outcome of a dysfunctional relationship with nature. Studies show deforestation and alteration in our ecosystem cause an increase in infectious diseases. So this time, this is the need to save the ecosystem. Why I'm talking about ecosystem? Because the next step would be why I should be a vegetarian. Why should we adopt a vegetarian diet? Why vegetarian diet? Because it will save our ecosystem, whether it is carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, or water cycle. A vegetarian diet is rich in fibers, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. This is the only way to get phytofactors. Phytofactors are fighters. Phytofactors are phytonutrients, which we can get from vegetarian diet only. So being vegetarian is the natural way to detox the body. Whereas fish and meat contains a lot of residue from toxic chemicals. According to a study, it has been observed that the bodies of carnivorous animals contains 10 times more hydrochloric acid than herbivorous animals. So herbivorous में इतना hydrochloric acid है ही नहीं जिसको कि वो meat को digest कर सके. So then what about our human body? Human body does not have this huge amount of HCl to digest the meat and meat products. So our body is designed in such a way that it can digest plant-based foods. Just remember our sadhus, they adopted nature, they conserve our ecosystem, and nature also gifted them excellent physical and mental health. So from the nutrition point of view, the basic and most important benefit of the vegetarian diet is it is rich in fibers, and people having fiber-rich diet have a low incidences of diseases like coronary heart diseases, intestinal cancers, piles, obesity, diabetes, constipation, hernia, diverticulitis, irritable bowel syndrome, dental caries, gallstones, and the list is endless. A diet consisting of whole grains, legumes, pulses, fruits, vegetables, nuts, oil seeds, milk and milk products are very good source of complex carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. You must have heard that plants have superpower. Yes, like moringa leaves, beet greens, sprouts, microgreens, drumstick leaves, mint, coriander, these all are superfoods. They provide us the full spectrum of all the essential nutrients which are needed to boost our immunity. Cumin seeds, turmeric, ginger, tulsi, basil, parsley, jasmine flower, lemongrass, betel leaf, all are immunity boosters. In the future, our survival would be based on our immunity only. We have to learn how to adopt healthy food habits. You must have heard about ORAC also. It is oxygen radical absorbance capacity. So if we consume food items having higher ORAC value or ORAC levels, better will be oxygen carrying capacity of blood and lungs. In nutshell, now onwards, the whole world would be focusing on health benefits of each and every food item. That would be the new normal. Let's talk about foods having higher ORAC scores. Turmeric, tulsi, clove, cinnamon, parsley, ginger, lemongrass, mulethi, bacopa, means brahmi, ashwagandha. Here's a long list of these immunity boosters. As we are adopting new quick methods of cooking, ready to eat meals or fast food, junk food, we are growing, you know what we are doing? We are just growing distant from our roots, from our superfoods. But this COVID-19 has reminded us to rethink about our health status. Here I want to mention one myth. We often hear people say you should increase your protein levels to be healthy. So take meat and meat products. This is completely a myth. We have enough proteins in our vegetarian food. So this was your question. So we have protein in legumes, pulses, in dry fruits, nuts, oil seeds. That is not important what source we are eating. The important is how we are complementing these sources according to their essential amino acid score. Like dal and rice is a perfect combination. And again, method of cooking. Then what, when, how to eat, the timings of meal. And with this meal preparation, the balanced life. If anyone is having a good amount of nuts and seeds, around 2 servings of pulses and legumes, 2 servings of milk and milk products, he can fulfill the RDA of protein. RDA is recommended dietary allowance. So this is very easy to get protein from natural sources or from vegan diet or from vegetarian diet. Our action plan to survive should be based upon the balanced life, balanced diet, balanced physical exercise, and social well-being. Only diet cannot do anything. These are 4 pillars of health and they go hand in hand. So we have to think about holistic health approach, not only diet.